Graph using slope-intercept form. Well, here's my issue. This is not in slope-intercept form, not even close. Slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b. When you have y all by itself, the number attached to x is your slope, and the number floating around is your y-intercept. This will help me graph, but I'm not even close to that. I have 3x floating around on the same side as y, and I have 5 attached to y. So I have a little bit of work to do. You always want to get rid of the x term first by doing the opposite of what you're currently doing. So since this is a positive 3x, the opposite of positive 3x is minus 3x, and so we'll subtract 3x from both sides. That allows you to cross that out. Drop down the 5y. Now these guys don't combine. And what I want to do is I want to try to make this look like this. So I'm going to write out my x term first, negative 3x, and then I'm going to write out my minus 5 second. So 5y equals negative 3x minus 5. Is y all by itself? No, that 5 is in the way. So how do I get rid of a 5 that's being multiplied to y? Divide by 5. Now when you divide by 5, you literally divide everything by 5 like that. Cross you out. Negative 3 over 5 doesn't simplify, so it's negative 3 over 5, drop down the x. Negative 5 divided by 5 is negative 1. Now that I have y all by itself, I can identify my slope, which is the number in front of x, so let's write that out. Slope is going to be negative 3 over 5. And I can identify my y-intercept, which is the number that's just floating around right there, which is negative 1. Now, in order to graph using slope-intercept form, you're going to start out by drawing a dot on the y-axis where your y-intercept is. So since my y-intercept is negative 1, here's my y-axis. Let's go to negative 1 and put a dot there. Now from there, we're going to draw as many points as we can using the slope. This is a negative slope, which is up and to the left. So this is rise over run. So up 3, left 5. So let's do that. Up 1, 2, 3, left 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Put a dot there. Up 1, 2, 3, left, oh boy, I'm out of space. So let's go back to our original point that we drew out, and instead of going up and to the left, we can go down and to the right. So down 3, right 5. Down 1, 2, 3, right 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Put a dot, and we're obviously not going to be able to do it again. But that's okay. We have 3 dots, and once I have 2 dots, I'm good to go. So I'm going to draw a line through my 3 dots the best that I can, like so. And we have ourselves a line that we graphed using slope-intercept form. Get y all by itself, identify the slope and the y-intercept, put a dot where the y-intercept is, use your slope to get more dots, connect the dots, and we just graphed a line in slope-intercept form that was in slope-intercept form to begin with.